Think you know a lot about the Big Apple? Here's 18 facts about New York even New Yorkers don't know. 1 in every 38 people in the US lives in New York City. 800 different languages are spoken there, making it the most linguistically diverse city in the world. Pinball was banned in the city until 1976. It's a misdemeanor to fart in New York City churches. It's completely legal for women to be topless in public in New York. Up until World War II, everyone in the city who was moving apartments had to do so on May 1st. November 26, 2012 was the only day in recent history with no report of violent crime in the city. 57% of all cigarettes sold in New York City are black market smokes smuggled in illegally. Philadelphia cream cheese was actually created in New York. The name was changed to Philadelphia because it was better known for cheese at the time. Albert Einstein's eyeballs are stored in a safe deposit box somewhere in the city. Go find them. Commercial delivery companies receive up to 7,000 parking tickets every day in Manhattan. The Empire State Building has its own zip code. There's an abandoned train platform under the Waldorf Astoria Hotel. It's totally creepy and cool. Madison Square Park, Washington Square Park, Union Square Park, and Bryant Park all used to be cemeteries. There are 20,000 bodies buried in Washington Square Park alone. Due to a clerical error, Madison Square Garden has not paid property taxes since 1982. In 1981, a 9-year-old boy robbed a New York bank and got away with $118. And finally, 3/4 of the crosswalk buttons in New York City are placebo. They haven't worked since the 80s. What's your favorite fact about New York?